In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of customizing your dashboards in the Josh app. First, open the Josh app. Swipe left or tap the 4 squares icon on the navigation bar to access the custom dashboard page. If you don't see this icon, it may be because you have not yet set up a custom dashboard for your Josh system. Josh allows you to create multiple dashboards. Your system comes with one by default, but additional dashboards can be added via the portal by your system owner. These dashboards are an excellent way to organize your favorite or most frequently used devices. For example, a security dashboard can consolidate all your cameras, locks, and outdoor lights onto a single page, enhancing your control. Today, we'll focus on creating an entertainment dashboard for our music and theater room, bringing all entertainment devices and scenes together on one page. To start, you will need to select the devices you want to include on your dashboard. For this tutorial, first navigate to the control page. Then we are going to choose the desired music players that we want on the dashboard, beginning with the entry music. After selecting the device, go to the top right corner and click the settings icon. From there, you can pin the device to your dashboard using the pin icon, also located in the top right corner. It will prompt you to choose which dashboard you wish to pin it to. Repeat this process for each device you want on the dashboard. Now that all our desired devices are selected, you can arrange them in your preferred order. Press and hold on a device tile until you feel haptic feedback from your device. After about half a second, you can drag the tile to your desired location on the dashboard. We trust this guide on customizing dashboards was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.